Welcome to day 13 of Vim Tip of the Day. Today, I would like to talk about two of my favorite commands. One is moving to the end of the line, and the second is moving to the beginning of the line. So let's say I'm at this line, and I would like to jump to the end of the line. I hit the $sign, that jumps to the end. If I want to jump to the beginning, I type 0, and that jumps to the beginning, even though there are spaces. I want to get back to the N again. If I want to jump to the beginning of the line before the spaces, then I use the caret sign right there. So the caret sign is this little up arrow key, usually above the 6 number key. And that's it.
Thank you for watching. If you're ever looking for a paid tutor to help you with anything computer science, Python, Java, C, please check out my profile on Wyzant and my YouTube profile.